So now we are standing with Mr. Umar, continuing with the interview. Now he would tell us about this wonderful car, sir.
This car has a pretty big history. This was bought by Mehtar of Chitral. At the time when this car was bought, there were no roads to Chitral. So he took the tires off, put it on two pieces of lumber, long, and they just placed it on it, and he took it to Chitral.
Let me introduce Mehtar is the royalty of the Chitral, which is one of the state which was in Pakhtunkhwa. Now it has merged as a district.
Yes.
So this belongs to the royalty. They are still considered as royalty. I think his son is now the latest royalty. So this belongs to the royalty of Pakhtunkhwa, one of the states in Pakhtunkhwa.
You are correct.
Yes. So this is the oldest car in the
I
class,
think so.
1938 model.
1938. This is a 1938. It's on its original engine, and it still has as we got it basically from the Mehtar. He was his grandson is my father's friend, so he basically told him that if you don't mind, I would like to restore the car. It's in pretty bad shape. So we did the whole bodywork, we did the engine, and right now it's still a work in progress, but it can manage to drive itself to the workshop and back.
Excellent. You have done a very good work.
Thank you so much.
I congratulate you on this beautiful car. Can we lower the hood so the audience can? It's beautiful car actually. Not many cars are made like this anymore.
My father mainly put the most effort into it because I was in England during the time when I was studying. So my father found the car and he basically sorted the engine out. He fixed the bodywork. He did the paint work on it as well. His knowledge is far more extensive than mine in regards to classics. But
his name is
Captain Retired Tariq Hayat.
Tariq Hayat. Excellent.
He's standing right behind me.
Yes, that's your father.
He's the one who made it.
Sir, can you join us in the interview, sir? Yes, sir. So this is Captain Tariq Hayat. He's the father of Umar, and he's behind restoration. So welcome to Pakhtunkhwa Interesting Channel, sir. Nice to meet you. So how did this idea you have restored? This is the oldest car in the...
Yes, this for today's show, this is the oldest car.
Yes, sir.
And one day I was just roaming around and I saw this car. This was my first vintage car. I saw it in a workshop and I went for it. It took me about 2.5 years to restore it.
Which year you restored it?
I restored it in 2000, from 2007 to 2012, 11.
Excellent, sir.
So it took a long time, but it came together very well. The engine is original. All the bodywork has been done very solidly, and it starts with half a self, half a turn of the key, and it starts.
How much is the cc of it?
1100 cc.
And tell us about the upholstery.
Oh, it's all been done locally. It has all been done locally, and our craftsmen, they did an outstanding job. I mean, the latest restoration that I did was these wipers. This never had any wiper motor. This had hand cranked wipers. I had to find, and then I had to fabricate.
Like the original.
And we finally got.
It's been working good.
Yes.
That's
So-
excellent. That's excellent.
Thank you, Jay.
That's excellent, and it's a pleasure meeting you. And tell us about the workshop and the craftsmen you have.
Well, there was a gentleman in on Kohart Road who did a lot of fabrication on this, as well as that red Opel. And they were good. He was very good. Poor man, he suffered a heart attack and he stopped working now. So we've lost a good artist. I wouldn't call him a mechanic, I'd call him an artist. Because he would sit down with me and we'd discuss every curve of the fabrication.
This color is very beautiful. Can you tell us about the green color?
This is British racing green, appropriately enough, because this is a British car. And I thought this color scheme would, a two-tone color scheme would go very well with this car. And it looks okay.
So you have become like an academy, sir.
No.
So
Sheer amateur.
so people can come and get trained with you.
Well, I do have 4 cars in today's show.
Actually, I think why not make it an industry, and because Pakhtunkhwa, is ahead. It looks like in Pakistan.
You know, the prices of these cars have really shot up in the last few years.
Yes.
People have started discovering value in these cars.
Yes.
And
You can have a museum now because the government has just passed a law about private museums.
True.
So if you can turn your home in a museum, you can charge a ticket.
but there are a lot of politicians whose heads I'd like to see in a museum.
No, the law has passed. Law has passed.
Okay, but does it cover our politicians? They are not supporting us.
No, nobody will support you because I am
For
also
healthy
entrepreneur.
activities.
We have to do it ourselves.
Nobody is supporting
Nobody
us
will
with
do
these
it.
healthy activities. The obstacles that we face.
That's why
for
we
this
have
show,
a Pakhtunkhwa channel, because even the media has not come, so we are trying to cover the good.
Unfortunate.
Unfortunately.
Not a single government functionary agreed to come here.
No, I'll help you. I'm also part of. I was ex-major Pakistan Army, so I'll help you. We'll get some. There's so many car lovers all over the world. We will do a collaboration.
I'm an ex-captain and I'm a retired, very senior bureaucrat. I've been in the federal government as a secretary, but it doesn't matter.
Yes, sir. I know. I've been suffering since I came back from England. And that's the same story. I know.
I tried guns. Our rifle association is a shambles. No one is interested. They all want-
We will do an interview. We will come to Sawabi. I'm from Mardan.
I live here in Shami Road.
Yeah, next video we will do on your guns, and I promise. Yeah.
Sure, welcome anytime.
Because my channel is Pakhtunkhwa Interesting, and you are interesting from Pakhtunkhwa.
It's tragic. Pakhtunkhwa is losing its culture. We had such well-educated
We won't
people.
let that happen.
Do you know, bookshops are being replaced by shoe shops.
Yes.
That is the tragedy of this province.
No, I think we should start private museums. That's the solution.
That is one solution. That's one solution. Private libraries. People are losing the habit of reading.
We will invite the children from schools, and
Yeah, why not?
there is a big market.
Sounds like a very good idea. Sounds like a very
It's
good
a pleasure, and thank you very much to be on our channel, sir. And it's
Pleasure.
always amazing to find people like you, and we will continue to cover you again with your rifle passion. Thank you very much, sir.
Take care.
Take care. Thank you very much, Umar, your son.
My boys
Yes,
are now taking over from me.
that's good because we like other boys as well to become like this, and my son is also part of the
Helping you out.
same like you. Yes, sir. So once again, thank you very much.
Thank
once
you,
again,
sir.
sir. Thank you once again. Thank you.